Guys, today I will show you the best way to encode and decode text in Python using Base64. So first of all, let's import the module Base64. I'm using Jupyter Notebook. You can use VS Code. Let's try encoding first. So take string mystr. Let's take my name is John for example. For encoding strings, we use Base64.b64 encode in brackets our string. Now we will simply output the encoded string and see. Okay, seems like there is a silly mistake. It is .b64 encode. We have corrected our mistake. Now we will get the encoded string in output. Okay, this is the encoded format of the string in Base64. Now I will show you decoding strings or bytes like objects. Take the string to be decoded and simply pass it in this function Base64.b64 decode. In brackets pass the string name. We should get the same string as output, that is my name is John. Okay, see, we got the same output. Found this video helpful, please share this video and subscribe to our channel.